What's up, guys? Today I've got some blue tack here. It's actually like white tack, but it's actually blue. It's actually the same thing, blue tack. Anyway, see this button? Let me show you something. Here, blue tack is on that button. And so, as you know, it works. Let me throw the O in. Well, watch. Well, let's throw that O in, I think. Hang on. There, guys. Let me close the door. Oh. It stopped. Okay, wait. Look, guys. Let's see. Will it stop? Oh, it stopped. Okay, that didn't take long for the blue tack to last. Anyway, guys, that will be what happened for any blue tack which you put on there. Yeah, this has run out. Anyway, peace out, okay? See you next videos, okay? See you later. Bye.